These cookies look great. How do you get to have it? There is a magic way. Do you think Trace knows this trick and magical way? Please join the BrightBuddySkills team to find out. Trace reaches toward the cookie jar and looks impatient, demanding. Trace sounds demanding, impatient. BrightBuddy and Ursla react instantly to Trace's rude way of asking for a cookie without using the magic words. Kids, do you know what they are? Tell a grown-up. BrightBuddy corrects Trace the right way. Have kids had mom, dad, or friends correct them this way before on how to use the magic words? Say it loud to a grown-up. How did you feel? Trace changes to a polite expression and posture. He asks again, more kindly. BrightBuddy and Ursla are happy and feel good, and ask her to take one of the cookies. Trace is looking more polite and has her cookie. Kids, would you have allowed Trace to take one of the cookies if she had not asked politely and had not used the magic words? Tell a grown-up now. BrightBuddy and Trace face each other and react positively, showing thumbs up and smiling for using the magic words, please and thank you. Kids, have you started using the magic words? Great job. Remember, these magic words must be used when we ask for help, when we ask for something from someone, and after we receive the help or get what we ask for. Who remember the magic words? Beautiful. Trace got a ball from BrightBuddy, and now she used the magic words. Hey BrightBuddySkills friends, can we please clap our hands for Trace? Kids, we will do the same for you when you say it. Trace asks rudely first, then gets corrected, then asks properly. Trace, please give me the ball. BrightBuddy, remember, always say please and thank you. Hey BrightBuddySkills friends, can someone please tell me what is happening now? Okay, you can tell a grown-up or let a grown-up put it in the comments section. Trace said, "Can I have the ball, please?" Trace had the ball and said, "Thank you, this is amazing. Please let's all keep practicing and remember that practice makes a man perfect." If you were Trace, how would you feel now? Please say it loud, all together. Can you say the magic words today? Please and thanks. Trace, can I have a cookie, please? Trace, give me the ball. BrightBuddy corrected her. Remember, say please. Trace, can I have the ball, please? Ursla, here you go. In a kitchen or counter setting with a cookie jar visible, Trace reaches toward the cookie jar and says rudely, "Give me the cookie." BrightBuddy and Ursla look surprised. Kids, can any of you tell mom and dad or a grown-up with you now why BrightBuddy and Trace look surprised? Please, a grown-up, leave a response in the comment. BrightBuddy says, "Oops, don't say this. Give me the cookie." BrightBuddy corrects Trace immediately. Please, you should always say, "Can I please get the cookie?" Or please, "Can I get the cookie?" Try the magic word, please. BrightBuddy said to Ursla. Ursla says, "And you say the magic word, thank you." Kids, remember, keep practicing. The more you practice, the more you get the hang of it. Trace looks more polite and asks again, "Can I have the cookie, please?" BrightBuddy hands Trace a cookie after she used the magic words, please and thank you, because they show respect and gratitude and make everyone feel good and smile. Trace receives the cookie and says, "Thanks." BrightBuddy smiles and reacts positively, such as with a thumbs up. Kids, do not forget to do same when you get what you ask for, and always be respectful. Ursla hands Trace the ball and says, "Here you go." Trace says, Thank you. That is it. Did you hear it? Trace is happy that she has learned to use the magic words. Kids who remember the magic words, can you say them louder? Can you tell them to mom and dad? I am watching and listening. Great job, BrightBuddySkills friends. BrightBuddy is reminding you all that the first magic word, please, shows respect, and the second word, thank you, shows gratitude. And both together make everyone smile. BrightBuddy, Trace, and Ursla wave and say together, can you say the magic words today? Let us all say together, Plia, see, and thank you. Life skills made fun. Always learn with a grown-up nearby.